Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we're doing a collaboration for Halloween with the hashtag spooky food, and we're making a mummy pie. So I've not used this GMG Pellet smoker for about 4 years. It's sat covered in my yard. Opened it up, it got 3/4 of a hopper of pellets, so we decided we're going to use it. So we'll just go through its starting sequence. It's got 4 stages. We're on stage 1 at the moment. We've ignited and we've got some pellets now on fire. Move to stage 3. And finally on stage 4. So we're going to set the temperature at 170 degrees C, that's 340 F. And the neighbours won't be pleased with the old dragon. So we've got a cast iron dish. Into this we're going to add 500 grams, or that's 17 ounce black forest fruits, one tin of apple slices, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to save 2 of these apple slices, you'll see why in a minute. I'm just going to mix everything in together. Now the 2 apple slices are saved. We're going to use these to form the nose. So we're just going to stand them on end together, and that's our nose. Now life's too short to be making pastry, so I've got 1 pack of short crust pastry. So I'm just going to roll this out onto our board. Now I need to cut this into strips. So what I've got is a stainless steel skewer. It's about 1/2 inch wide. So we're just going to use this as a guide. What we're going to do is just run the knife down to form our strips. So that's our bandages made, and all we need to do now is apply them to the mummy. I'm just going to take 1 strip and lay it around the outside. And another strip to complete the outside. I've got 1 beaten egg, and all I'm going to do is just brush the side of this pastry with it. This will act as a glue for when I apply the bandages. So I'm just going to take strips now of the pastry and just lay them across, trim them to size. And just carry on repeating the process down. cut a little strip. This is going to form the bridge of the nose. And now what we need to do is form the eye sockets. Bring it back up in the middle, take it back down, form the eye slits. Now we carry on down again. Now we need to form the mouth. Same principle as before. Bring it down, trim it off, and there we have a mouth. What we're going to do now is carry on down and complete the bandages. Just going to take our egg again and we're going to egg wash the rest of it. Then I've got some golden granulated sugar. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit this over the top. I don't want too much. This will just give it a nice bit of a crisp. So there we have it, mummy pie ready to cook. So our GMG is up to temperature. Not much smoke now. I'm going to put this in and we're going to say about 30 to 35 minutes. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.